Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Roffie. This is their RM10 Massage Gun. You can check this out on Amazon at the time of this review for $99, but currently, as of the time of this review, they have a 20% off coupon, so you can essentially get this for $79 at the time of this review. Let's dig into this massage gun, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you get everything unboxed, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get the case itself, and it is nice that they include a storage/carry case. It's a semi-hard shell carry case with a zipper enclosure. Really nice touch by Roffie. I do like that. Now it does, of course, have a rechargeable battery in it, and you will get up to 180 minutes of runtime, and each session it will auto shut off in 10 minutes. So you can get 18 sessions. You also get some documentation here. You get a user manual, and the model number again is RM10 if you need that. So you get a quick start guide and a user manual written in different languages, well laid out. Just hold on to that in case you need to refer to it. Now, as I'm taking everything out of the case here, let's talk about attachments. You do get 4 different attachments, and I will go over each one of those as well. You get the main unit, and you get a charging cable here as well. So you do have a nice charge cable here. Sorry about the camera, trying to focus on everything as I'm getting it out of the case. Let's move this out of the way so that you guys can see exactly what we've got going on over here as far as attachments. You do see that we have 4 individual attachments, and they're made differently for different scenarios. You've got kind of the flatter one there. The ball attachment, which I'll go over first, but let's look at the charge cable. It's a USB A to USB Type-C charge cable. Now you can hook this up to any laptop or PC's USB port. It will charge at 5 volts, 2 amps, but you can also use a wall adapter as well. You probably have one from your phone or your tablet, and it'll work just fine. Looking at the main unit itself, you're going to see a few different things on the front here. This weighs about 700 grams, so it's not too overly heavy. You've got some LEDs at the bottom for your battery, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. So you know how much battery you have left. You have 3 intensities as well. The first one's going to be 600 reps per minute. Second one is going to be 1200 reps per, or 2200 reps per minute. And the third gear is going to be 2800 reps per minute. That's more for deep massage. 2200, the middle one, is for decomposing lactic acid. And the low gear or first gear is going to be for relaxing your muscles. So you do have 3 of them there. 2 seconds holding will turn it on, and then a short press will change between those. It's got a nice rubberized, matte, soft texture to it. Roffie logo up there. Now they do have like a little warning on here not to get your fingers anywhere near this unless there's an attachment in it, and I'll show you why if we take a quick look. You can see that this piece will move incredibly fast even on the first setting, so obviously you don't want to get your fingers anywhere near that unless you have an attachment attached to the device. Now on the bottom here, you're going to see that we do have that USB Type-C charge port, and again, it'll take about 3 to 4 hours to totally recharge the unit, but you'll get up to 180 minutes of runtime in 10-minute sessions, so up to 18 sessions out of 1 full charge. Let's take a look at the attachments. We'll start with the ball attachment here. This is a softer attachment with some air holes in the back. And this is going to be your overall general use type scenario here. I'm going to let you guys hear this run. Just like so. And then when you turn it on, you've got it right here or right now. So if I wanted to massage my arm or something like this, something like a larger muscle group, this would work really well for that. No problems whatsoever. So it's really nice, and again, you can increase the speed just by tapping, and you'll get a faster speed on there as well. So very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so you could hear that that wasn't actually that loud. That's not really loud. The gun itself, I think, it tops out at 50 decibels on the third. So that will give you an idea of how loud the gun is when it's right there. Now this second attachment is kind of a flat-headed attachment made of a harder plastic, and it's for larger muscle groups and maybe the top of your legs. If you're looking to do that, or your calves, that type of thing. Now this third attachment is going to be kind of a two-prong attachment, and this is going to be able to be split so that it can go on either side of your spine. Now you're going to need that for your back. You're going to need probably somebody else to be doing this, or you to be doing it to somebody else for it to be effective. But it's nice that they add it in there so that you can get those muscles that are along your spine on either side massaged out as well. Now this last one is an interesting one, and it's more of a pressure point, kind of a bullet tip. And if you need to get in to a pressure point or somewhere, like say in between your thumb and forefinger, you can target specific pressure points with this. And this is really nice. This is a nice one as well. I like this. I like the fact that if I want to target a specific muscle, I can do that with this bullet attachment as well. And it works out really, really well. Okay, so I'm going to put the ball attachment back on here. I think that one, out of all of them, is my favorite. I just think it's an all-around great one to use on almost any part of your body. Your hands, if your hands get cramped up, you can use that for this as well, and it works out really well. It's more of a softer massage than, say, the bullet point one where you're actually targeting an individual muscle, but they do all have their use cases, so it's good that you have all four attachments. Overall, I think Roffie did a great job on this massage gun at the price point that they have it at, and I'm definitely going to give it a thumbs up. So there you go. That's my review of the Roffie RM10 massage gun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm really having a hard time coming up with any negatives on this. It's got a good runtime, good battery life, many attachments, a nice carry case. So overall, Roffie did a great job on this. I'm definitely giving it a thumbs up. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about this massage gun, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.